Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 tent cots available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best tent cots. The 5th product on our list is the Outsunny All-in-One. Just because camping takes you out of your comfort zone doesn't mean that you have to stay uncomfortable throughout the adventure. The Outsunny All-in-One tent cot is your best bet for getting a restful night's sleep and waking up energized for the venture you've planned out for the day. It features a tent with a cover, camp bed, air mattress with matching covers, pillow, and sleeping bag, all in one portable package for easy transport and storage. You can choose to use this combo together or detach them and use them separately. However, you cannot use the tent alone. The air mattress has an inbuilt pump with which you can inflate and deflate the unit. Use it together with the sleeping bag to get a home-like sleeping experience. Note that this tent cot can accommodate just one person. Made from polyester and canvas materials, this unit is rigid, water-resistant, and can hold up to 225 pounds of weight. Moreover, it is ideal for use mainly in sunny, fair weather. Since it is not fully waterproof, you will need a rainfly and ground cover to keep heavy rain out. Its doors and windows are equipped with zips to protect you from the weather outside. Also, the polyester material keeps bugs away and protects you from ultraviolet rays. The setup process is easy and does not require extra hands. Once your trip comes to an end, disassemble the tent and store it in the included carry bag for easy transport. Its pros are: this tent is comfortable to use, versatile, and easily detachable. Its setup process is simple, and it protects from ultraviolet rays and bugs. However, it is not ideal for use under heavy rain, hail, and snow. The Outsunny All-in-One tent cot is suitable for anyone who does not want to compromise their comfort during their camping trip. Up next in 4th place is the Kamp-Rite Compact. The Kamp-Rite Compact Extra Large Tent Cot is the upgraded version of their standard tent cot. As a 3-in-1 product, you can use either the tent and cot together or separately. This product has a spacious sleeping area that measures 84 by 32 inches and enough headroom so that you can have a good night's rest without feeling constricted. Its 400-pound weight capacity means that an averagely weighted adult can use this tent comfortably. The Kamp-Rite Compact Extra Large Tent Cot features 2 zippered windows at each end that promote airflow on warm nights, spreader bars to keep the top fully expanded for maximum interior space, and a polyester mesh entrance that makes for easy entry. There's also a rainfly and underneath storage hammock, in addition to an internal storage pouch for your personal belongings and ceiling straps to hang a lamp. This unit only takes a few minutes to set up, so you will have enough time to relax and get on with other activities. In terms of durability, this tent cot is made with nylon and so will not rip easily. Although not fully waterproof, this product can hold off heavy showers. This unit folds down to a smaller size of about 29 inches so that you can easily transport or store it using the zippered roller with a padded handle and the additional carry pouch for the tent top and flex rods. Its pros are: it is versatile, durable, and reliable. It is easy to set up, and it has a spacious sleeping area and good headroom. However, its cons are: it does not come with an air mattress, and it is not entirely waterproof. The Kamp-Rite Compact Extra Large Tent Cot is ideal for anyone who needs a spacious unit for a comfortable camping adventure. Still haven't found a tent cot that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Yescom Folding. Sleep comfortably during your outdoor adventure with the Yescom Folding Tent Cot. Accommodation during your camping, hiking, or fishing adventure should be carefully put into consideration. You should consider investing in this tent cot for your peace of mind as one who wouldn't want to compromise their safety, health, and comfort. This unit has a large interior and a comfortable sleeping surface. It stands 12 inches above the ground to protect you from animals and the cold earth. The aluminum frame and metal legs of this unit enhance its strength and stability. At the same time, the 600D polyester bottom plus 190T polyester top with polyurethane coating makes it water and wear resistant. Also, the polyurethane coated rainfly keeps water out in wet conditions. There are 2 large zippered doors for easy entrance and exit, and 2 side windows with mesh lining that allows proper ventilation and keeps bugs out. You can also leave the door open to promote airflow. Inside this cot, you will find a strap for hanging your towels and other clothing, a top hook for hanging a portable lamp or fan, and mesh pockets for organizing your items for easy accessibility. The Yescom Folding Tent Cot can accommodate a load capacity of 330 pounds. You can easily set up or disassemble the entire system in minutes and store it in the included carry bag. Its pros are: it is water and wear resistant, it has a padded bed for a comfortable sleep, and it has interior storage pockets. However, the cons are: it is not ideal for use in extreme weather conditions, and its zippers are not durable. The Yescom Folding Tent Cot is perfect for anyone who needs a durable sleeping system for their wilderness exploration or base camp trips. The second product on our list is the Tangkula One Person. The Tangkula One Person Tent Cot is an outdoor sleeping system comprising of a foldable camping tent, an air mattress, a sleeping bag, an inflatable pillow, and covers for the bag and pillow. This cost-effective tent cot is made of high-density polyester fabric that makes it waterproof, resistant to ultraviolet rays, and durable enough to withstand adverse weather conditions. This means that you can take this tent cot for your hiking, camping, and fishing activities, among others. The sturdy metal frame enhances this unit's stability and allows it to accommodate a 300-pound weight capacity. For sufficient ventilation, this product features 4 mesh windows with zippers so that you can keep them closed in cold weather conditions and open in a warm or hot climate. The mesh prevents bugs from entering the tent. The accessories that come with this unit include a foot pump to inflate the air mattress and pillow, sturdy windproof nails for extra stability, awning poles to hold the rainfly, and a freewheeled bag for easy transportation and storage. Using the detailed assembly instruction manual and accessories that come with the package, it will take only a few minutes to set this tent cot up. And when not in use, you can fold down the entire system to save space. Its pros are: it is weather resistant, it is easy to set up and take down, and it has a 3-in-1 sleeping system. However, its cons are: it is heavy to transport, and it does not have a mesh door. The Tangkula One Person Tent Cot is perfect for anyone looking for a durable outdoor sleeping system that can withstand adverse weather conditions. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top tent cot is the Kamp-Rite Oversize. The Kamp-Rite Oversize tent cot is designed for all camping situations. It is made from heavy-duty 190T nylon and stands 11 inches above the ground. Whether you decide to use it indoors or outdoors, you will enjoy the overall comfort that this unit offers in all weather conditions. With an expanded sleeping area and added dome top, you get enough headroom and interior space for yourself and some of your personal belongings. The off-the-ground design protects you from crawling animals as well as rocky and wet ground. The base of this tent cot features 4 support legs in total for elevation and added stability. Its versatile design allows you to convert it to a lounge chair to relax during the day, or a standard-style cot for sleeping under the stars. This unit's other features include 2 large doors for easy entry and exit and 2 mesh windows for proper ventilation. There's also the waterproof rainfly that ensures you and everything inside the tent cot stays dry even in wet weather conditions. This unit is ideal for adverse climates and is built to last for more than one camping adventure. Once not in use, fold it and store it in the included carry bag for easy transport. The 350-pound capacity of this unit makes it ideal for larger people as well. Its pros are: it has enough room for stretching, it can be converted to a lounge chair, and it is comfortable and convenient to use. However, its folded size is weighty. The Kamp-Rite Oversize tent cot is ideal for campers who want enough room to stretch their legs and store their personal belongings. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.